Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Reshma and today I have bought yet another shopping haul video for you all. I personally enjoy watching the shopping haul videos of other YouTubers. It really helps me to make certain decisions on the products that I want to buy. So before I begin with the video, I just want to give a quick disclaimer that I am not trying to brag or show off anything. I am just trying to share the purchases that I have made with you friends, and I am just trying to share the prices that I have paid for it, and I am also trying to share from where I have purchased these products. In case you are planning to purchase this product, this information might help you make certain decisions. I have purchased all of these products from the mall in Mangalore, that's a Forum Mall. I have visited 4 of my favorite stores, that is the At Home, Home Center, West Side and Fab India. All the products that I am going to show you today are mainly kitchen and home essentials related. Though we did purchase other products from the store, like we did purchase clothes, footwear and other stuff. I am not going to be showing all those products in this video and making this video too lengthy. So let me not delay it anymore and let's just get started. Starting with products from the store At Home, first are these stackable containers. These containers are really good to save space as they are sleek in design and can easily be stacked. I paid ₹99 for the smaller one and ₹199 for the bigger one. I got 2 of the bigger one and 1 in the smaller size. They are from the brand Ranveer Brar and they are airtight and are really good at this rate. I got these mainly to store items in the freezer where there is a shortage of space. I will be soon making a fridge organization video where I will show you how I have used these containers. I also got these cute looking pots which are made of ceramic. They have beautiful color which goes very well with my living room color. They have a drainage hole and hence you can directly pot in them. It also comes with the plates which saves you from the mess of water or soil on the furniture you want to place them on. I have paid ₹299 each for them. These are really economical pots and they are really beautiful at this rate. I have just placed my Aglaonema pot in them to just give you an idea as to how it looks inside this pot. Very soon I will also be doing a video on my indoor plant collection. Moving to the next product from Home Center, which is yet another of my favorite store to purchase home decor and home essentials. I wanted an airtight jar to store some cookies on the dining table for easy access to my son. It is made of thick plastic which is BPA free and is airtight. Generally, I do not prefer plastic containers, but as this was to be placed on the dining and was mainly for my son for access, I thought plastic would be safe. They also had this beautiful ceramic cookie jar at around 900 or so, but I thought plastic is better to be on the safer side. I have paid ₹799 for this one. Next to the products which I got from West Side has a small section for home products at Mangalore, but the products you get there are also unique, subtle in color, classy and beautiful. All their products are so affordable and worth the price. I got these beautiful jute baskets. I paid ₹499 each for them. I got these to decorate my pots which are not so colorful. Pots placed in them makes the plant look even more beautiful and definitely adds color to the room. I also got 2 bed sheets from there. One is a single bed sheet for my son's room and one double for my room. I have paid ₹999 each for them. They are very soft and 100% cotton. I got these with thread count 144. They also had bed sheets with thread count of 210, which were even more soft. This is how they look on my son's bed. They also had a very good collection of towels, quilts, pillow covers, cushion covers and so on. Their artificial plant collection, kitchen storage jars or decorative items are all so unique. And this is how it looks on my bed. My husband also got these short glasses from there. They were for rupees 399 for 6 of them. Moving to the last store, that is Fab India. This was my all-time favorite store only for clothes, but recently I discovered they also had a beautiful handmade crockery section in the store at Mangalore. The store at Manipal does not sell crockeries. They have some of the most earthen looking handmade ceramic collection of plates, bowls, mugs and so on. I purchased these serving bowls at 690 each. Their designs are so unique, ethnic, Indian and so classy. They are made in India, lead free, microwave safe, dishwasher safe. They are also heavy and sturdy bowls. I am so happy to add them to my collection of ceramic bowls. I also got these small mugs at rupees 230 each. Just look at the built-in design on it. They definitely will add color and also act as a decor piece on my kitchen shelf. I also had got these bowls and mugs around 2 to 3 months back, which you might have observed in my other videos. Each piece is so unique and beautiful. If you are looking for products which are different, made in India, earthen looking, just give a try to Fab India store. They just have awesome collection of crockeries. I will definitely be adding more to my collection each time I visit the store for sure. Fab India is always known for their awesome quality of Indian made clothing, but you should definitely give a try to their linen section. They have beautiful bed sheets, pillowcases, cushion covers, tablecloths, runners and so on. I got this red 100% cotton cushion covers. They are 40 by 40 centimeters and I paid rupees 260 each for them. They are thick and will look beautiful on my bed. So friends, these are all the products I got this time. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such haul, decor, organization, cleaning, cooking and more videos. So until next time, stay blessed, safe and happy. Bye bye.